Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So if you want to start a screen recording on your laptop, you can either use the 3-button combination of Windows, Shift and R buttons. So once again, let me show you Windows, Shift and R buttons. Or you can just use the print screen button instead and then select record option right here. And once you select the record option on this bar at the top of your screen, you're gonna have to make a selection on your display. You can also adjust it by moving the sides and the corners of your selection. And as you can see, there are 2 new icons that appeared on this bar. If you click this one, it will unmute your microphone, and if you click this one, it will mute your system audio during the recording. So to begin the recording, click Start, then let this tool access your microphone. And at this point, everything in this selected area will be shown on the screen recording. If you want to stop the pause the screen recording, click the pause icon. To stop it, click the stop icon. To delete it without saving, click the trash bin icon. So right now let's stop the recording, and you'll see the full preview of the recording in the window that appears after you stop the recording. You can quickly trim this video if you use this quick tool, or you can edit this video in Clipchamp by clicking right here. To save the new version of the video, click Save As and select a directory for it. But generally, once you capture a video, it's automatically saved to your File Explorer, Videos, Screen Recordings folder. So that's where you can find your screen recording. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.